Hello students, good morning. I am PK sir. So I welcome you today for this new lecture after the break. Today our topic is inheritance and variation. So how many of you have seen the class 12th new book by State Board, or maybe some of you have bought it, it is available in the market. So the chapter number 3 is inheritance and variation after you have learned reproduction. So before the break you have learned the Mendelian genetics. This chapter, inheritance and variation, it has basically two parts. One is Mendelian genetics, the other is chromosomal. So Mendelian inheritance or chromosomal inheritance. So today I shall deal with the fundamental terms, and you can get the revision of your previous lecture under the subtopic heading is genetic terminology, in which I will tell you what exactly is gene, right? What are the terms like phenotype and genotype. Earlier you have read in the chapter. So let us start on a positive note. I hope you will understand, and I'll be posting videos, and you can learn with this new Microsoft team. Then definitely you will learn all. In case of any doubt, you feel free to ask me. So let us begin on a positive note. The chapter is inheritance and variation. As the name suggests, inheritance, the word has inheritance. The basic root word is inherit. You inherit characters from your parents. The golden rule of genetics, like begets like. As the parents, so the progeny. Means as an offspring, you have so many characters of your parents. So we inherit characters from our parents. So basically this is called inheritance. And you can see variation, as the word has come from vary. You see, you are 30 odd students sitting in the class. You vary from each other. So variation is nothing. Variation is among individuals of the same species. Variation is defined as that a offspring differs from the parents. The differences between the offspring and their parents, or among, right, you have four siblings, brothers and sisters are there. You vary from each other. Then in broader case, variation may be environmental variation, genetic variation. You see, the African differs from European or American because of geographical variation. So variation and inheritance, right, this is our main topic. And today, as I told you, I am going to explain you the genetic terminology, like what exactly, who can define gene. Gene in fact is a segment of DNA, a specific particular segment of DNA that is responsible for transmission of characters. In the same manner, you can understand what exactly is phenotype. The external appearance of an organism. The external visible appearance of an organism is known as phenotype. Like in case of Mendelian genetics, right, you have learned the one character is stem height. The stem height is visible. It may be tall or it may be short. So this we study under phenotype. Now genotype. Genotype is the total genetic constitution or genetic makeup of an individual. So likewise you have learned the gene, what exactly is gene, what exactly is phenotype and genotype. In the same manner we will study about chromosomes in chromosomal inheritance.